You don't need a fortune to start investing. Gone are the days when only the wealthy could play the stock market. Today, you can start investing with just $100. That's right, the cost of a dinner out could be your ticket to growing your wealth. Many people think they need thousands of dollars to get started. This is simply not true. With the rise of online platforms and new investment options, investing has become accessible to everyone. Don't let limited funds hold you back. Even small amounts invested consistently can grow significantly over time. The most important step is to simply begin. Let's explore how you can turn that $100 into the foundation of your financial future. You might be wondering, why not just save my money? While saving is important, investing takes you further. Let me explain. When you save, your money sits in a bank account. It might earn a little interest, but not much. Inflation, the rising cost of goods and services, actually eats away at your savings over time. Investing, on the other hand, puts your money to work. When you invest, you're buying a piece of a company or an asset. The goal is for your investment to grow in value over time, outpacing inflation and building your wealth. Think of it like this. Saving is like parking your money. Investing is like putting it on a rocket ship. Which would you rather choose for your financial future? But Jim, you might say, some companies' stocks cost thousands of dollars. How can I afford that? It's a common concern. Many people feel priced out of the stock market because they can't afford to buy even a single share of some of the most successful companies. That's where fractional shares come in. They offer a solution to this problem. Think of fractional shares like buying a slice of a pizza instead of the whole pie. You don't need to buy the entire pizza to enjoy a piece. Fractional shares let you invest in expensive companies with just a small amount of money. This means you can start investing with whatever amount you have available. Let's say a company's stock costs $1,000 per share. That can be a daunting amount for many investors. With fractional shares, you can buy a fraction of that share, say $100 worth. This way, you can still own a part of the company without needing to invest a large sum upfront. This makes investing in big-name companies accessible to everyone. No longer do you need to have a large amount of money to get started. Fractional shares have been a game changer for new investors. They open up opportunities that were previously out of reach for many people. They remove the barrier of high stock prices, allowing you to build a diversified portfolio, even with limited funds. You can spread your investments across different companies and sectors, reducing your risk. Now you can own a piece of your favorite companies. Whether it's tech giants, healthcare innovators, or consumer goods leaders, fractional shares make it possible for you to be a part of their growth story. So don't let high stock prices hold you back. Start small, invest wisely, and watch your portfolio grow over time. Fractional shares are here to make investing accessible and exciting for everyone. Diversification is key to successful investing. It's a strategy that helps you manage risk and maximize returns by spreading your investments across various assets. It means not putting all your eggs in one basket. By diversifying, you ensure that the performance of one investment doesn't overly impact your entire portfolio. ETFs, or exchange-traded funds, are a fantastic way to diversify your portfolio. They offer a simple and efficient way to gain exposure to a wide range of assets. Think of an ETF like a basket of stocks. Instead of buying individual stocks, you buy a share in a basket that holds many different stocks. When you buy an ETF, you're investing in a collection of companies from different industries. This means you're not overly reliant on the performance of a single sector. This spreads out your risk. If one industry faces a downturn, the impact on your overall portfolio is minimized. For example, instead of buying stock in just one tech company, which can be risky, you can buy an ETF that tracks the entire technology sector. This way, you're investing in multiple tech companies at once. If one company in the ETF doesn't do well, it won't drastically affect your investment. Others in the ETF might pick up the slack, balancing out the performance. ETFs are very popular with both beginner and experienced investors. They provide a convenient way to diversify without needing to pick individual stocks. They offer an easy and affordable way to diversify your investments and reduce your overall risk. Plus, they often come with lower fees compared to mutual funds. Remember, diversification is your friend when it comes to investing. It helps you build a resilient portfolio that can weather market fluctuations and achieve long-term growth. Section 5. Robo-advisors, your personal investing assistant. Feeling overwhelmed by all this investing talk? Don't worry, robo-advisors are here to help. Robo-advisors are like having a personal financial advisor at your fingertips. They use technology to create and manage your investment portfolio based on your goals, risk tolerance, and time horizon. You simply answer a few questions about your financial situation and investment goals. The robo-advisor does the rest, selecting and managing your investments for you. Robo-advisors are a great option for beginners who are new to investing. They offer a low-cost, hassle-free way to start growing your money. Let technology take the reins while you sit back and watch your investments grow. Section 6. Dollar cost averaging, riding the market roller coaster. The stock market can be volatile. It goes up and down, sometimes dramatically. These fluctuations can be influenced by a variety of factors, including economic reports, geopolitical events, and changes in market sentiment. This can be intimidating for new investors. The constant ups and downs might make you feel uncertain about when to invest. But don't worry, dollar cost averaging can help you navigate the ups and downs. This strategy is designed to take the guesswork out of investing. Dollar cost averaging means investing a fixed amount of money at regular intervals, regardless of the market's movements. This could be weekly, monthly, or quarterly. So instead of trying to time the market perfectly, you invest consistently, whether the market is up or down. This removes the pressure of having to predict market highs and lows. This strategy helps you buy more shares when prices are low and fewer shares when prices are high. Essentially, you are taking advantage of market dips to accumulate more shares. Over time, it can even out the average price you pay for your investments. This means that the impact of market volatility is reduced, leading to a more stable investment journey. Dollar cost averaging takes the emotion out of investing. By sticking to a regular investment schedule, you avoid the emotional roller coaster of trying to time the market. It's a disciplined approach that can help you build wealth steadily over the long term. Consistency is key, and over time, your investments can grow significantly. Remember, slow and steady wins the race in investing. By committing to dollar cost averaging, you are setting yourself up for long-term success, regardless of short-term market fluctuations. Section 7. Reinvesting dividends, the gift that keeps on giving. Some companies pay dividends to their shareholders. A dividend is a portion of the company's profits that is distributed to investors. It's like getting paid to own a piece of the company. Now here's the exciting part. You can reinvest those dividends. This means using the dividend payments to buy more shares of the same stock or fund. It's like a snowball effect, where your money makes more money, which makes even more money. Reinvesting dividends is a powerful way to accelerate your investment growth. It allows you to compound your returns over time, turning small investments into significant wealth. Don't underestimate the power of compounding. Section 8. Outsmarting fees, keeping more of your money. Fees can eat into your investment returns. It's important to be mindful of the fees you're paying and choose low-cost investment options. Some common fees include trading commissions, expense ratios for ETFs, and advisory fees for financial advisors. Always compare fees before making any investment decisions. The good news is that many online platforms offer commission-free trading and low-cost ETFs. This means you keep more of your hard-earned money working for you. Remember, every dollar you save on fees is a dollar that can grow your investments. Don't let fees chip away at your investment gains. Section 9. Choosing your platform, where to park your investments. Now that you understand the basics of investing, it's time to choose an investment platform. There are many options available, each with its own features and fees. Some popular platforms include online brokerages, robo-advisors, and micro-investing apps. Consider your investment goals, risk tolerance, and how much guidance you need when making your choice. Do your research, read reviews, and compare fees before opening an account. The right platform can make your investing journey smoother and more profitable. Choose wisely and embark on your investing adventure. Section 10. From $100 seed to a mighty forest, the long game. Investing is a marathon, not a sprint. It's about making consistent investments over time and letting your money grow. Don't get discouraged if you don't see massive returns overnight. Remember, even small amounts invested regularly can accumulate significantly over time. The key is to start early, stay invested, and let the power of compound growth work its magic. Think of your initial $100 investment as a seed. With time, patience, and consistent nurturing, that seed can grow into a mighty forest. The journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. Section 11. Take action. Your journey to financial freedom starts now. Congratulations. You've taken the first step towards financial empowerment by learning about investing. Now, it's time to put your knowledge into action. Don't wait for the perfect time to start. The best time to invest was yesterday. The second best time is today. Open an account, choose your investments, and make that initial $100 deposit. Every dollar you invest brings you closer to your financial goals. Remember, investing is not just for the wealthy, it's for everyone who wants to take control of their financial future. Your journey to financial freedom starts now.